Welcome back YouTube. This is Ironclad Rider. The time currently is 12:10 in the afternoon. It's a Sunday. So after spending a night in the tents in the camping site and after spending some wonderful moments with the friends, we are all heading back towards Pune. So today's plan is pretty simple. We are gonna take the same route back to Pune and we'll try to reach Pune first as soon as possible because we are actually having a plan to go to a nice restaurant and have our lunch. So hopefully we'll be in Pune by 1:30 maybe, max to max. So the experience was pretty good, guys. The campsite where we actually stayed had got nice tents, nice cozy tents I would say. Though it was quite cold, but the tents were actually working pretty well, and food was good. The people around there were lovely people. They were very good in respect of their hospitality. And the most exciting and the most funny part was having a swimming inside the farmer lake. That was actually a very funny thing for us. We actually enjoyed a lot. The weather seems to be pretty good today because though it's afternoon and it's a bright sunny day, I'm not at all feeling any hot. And trust me guys, the riding jacket is actually working pretty well. It's very well ventilated without the liners, and I am actually feeling the wind entering my jacket from the front and it is passing by from the back. So it's actually very kind of a breezy kind of a feeling I am having right now, though I am wearing such a heavy jacket. The bike also seems to be performing pretty well. As you guys already know that I am having a pillion with me, but trust me, the bike is pulling like crazy, and I'm not at all feeling any kind of lag in the acceleration of the bike. Everything seems to be good till now with the bike, but I am a little bit worried about the mileage of the bike because I have heard people claiming that they are getting mileage of more than 40 kilometers per liter, but I seem to be getting a mileage of around 35, I would say, that also on the highway. So maybe the reason behind that is that I mostly travel in the hilly areas, so that actually needs a little bit of more throttle. So that's why maybe the bike is uh, just giving a little bit less mileage. So do let me know guys what you feel and what you all get in form of the mileage from the bike, because in this respect only I am having a little bit of complaint regarding that, because most of the people whoever I have met and whoever have made the videos about Royal Enfield Classic Thief 350 at least, everybody is claiming that the mileage is way more. By the time I reach the old Mumbai Pune highway, you guys do enjoy the wonderful views of the Ghats with some nice music. So guys, we have touched the old Mumbai Pune highway and the road is butter smooth, and hence we are cruising at around 80 to 90 kmph. We are not too far from the destination now. So guys, I'll be ending today's vlog here, and if you guys have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have got any kind of suggestions or you have got any kind of questions, please put your comments in the comment section below. And people who are visiting my channel for the first time, who are watching my videos for the first time, do hit the subscribe button. I make lots and lots of nice videos for you guys, and don't forget to click the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you get each and every notification for whatever videos I upload. So with that said, thanks a lot, and as always, be healthy, be safe, always try to wear your riding gears. If not possible, at least wear your helmet, because guys, your life is very precious. Loads of love. Bye bye.